Hello guys, welcome to Comex China. Today we have just finished a side of Model 350 vacuum mixer. Now please follow my camera to know more details about this model. Thank you very much.
This is the 350 type vacuum meat mixer. The whole machine is made of 304 foot grade stainless steel. It features a thickened stainless steel body with 1 cm extra thick stainless steel side plates, ensuring durability and stability. With a total power of 5.15 kilowatts, it has a large capacity of 260 kilograms of filling per batch, with a total volume of 350 liters. The machine adopts full automatic control with pneumatic discharging and lid opening, closing for easy operation. The mixing blades are also made of thickened stainless steel with rounded corners for safety. The intelligent control system allows free setting according to a specific processing needs. It comes with an emergency stop button and a stainless steel motor protection cover for enhanced safety. We specialize in manufacturing various meat processing machinery. If you have related needs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.
아, 开盖吧。然后
也可以反转。
这个门儿不开一下。